Welcome to part 3 of designing a 404 page error. In previous video, in video number 2, we turned our low fidelity wireframe into high fidelity wireframe and designed a presentation shot. In this video, in video number 3, we are going to add some animation and interaction to our design and prototype it. So if you are curious, please stay with me to design it together. Hi guys, my name is Amir Asadi and I'm a product designer. In this channel, we talk about user experience of digital products, such as mobile apps and websites. So if you are a fan of this kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button and be around. Press R to draw a rectangle. Corner radius 56 and 8 pixels space between. I select them both and press Shift A to add an auto layout. Perfect. Now I just press Ctrl Alt K to make a component, and then this button add variant. Okay. I select this rectangle in frame 1 and press 0 2 times to set opacity to 0. And then here we change it to fill container width and color to red. I press I and select this red color. Also this one. Okay. And go to prototype tab. Drag this plus button to second frame by hovering. I want to change it to variant 2 and then ease in out and 500 milliseconds. Perfect. I replace this one with this text box by Ctrl Shift R. And duplicate it by Ctrl D, and then select this text, copy this text and paste it into our new components. Perfect. Now I don't need these 2 old texts. I just have 3 interactive components. Now I want to add animation and interaction into this button. I drag it here and make it a component, then add variant. In first frame we have corner radius 8 pixels. In second frame I wanted to change to 24 or maybe 32 pixels. Go to prototype tab, drag this plus button, and by hover, change it to variant 2, animation duration 500 milliseconds. And then I copy this new component and select old button and replace it by Ctrl+Shift+R. Now I want to add animation into our illustration. I copy this one here. Okay, by Ctrl+Alt+K, I make a component, add variants. I want 3 variants. I increase the space between them. I select frame 1 and select these 2 4 numbers. I increase the space between them and then press Shift and select this one, this item, to align them center vertically. And then I select this fella here, and also in frame 2 I move this person illustration out of our frame. In the last frame we have it all. I want to add another change. I want to select these shapes and give it a rotation 19 degree, and in the second one I give it 45 degree. In the last one I don't need to change it. Okay, let's see what we have. Go to prototype tab, drag this plus button while hovering after delay, after 3 seconds, and duration of animation goes to 3 seconds again. Drag this frame 2. After 0 delay, by animation duration, same 3 seconds. Okay, I select this first frame, copy it, and select the old illustration and replace it. Ctrl+Shift+R. Let's see what we have. Nice, very nice. Let's test our menu items. Let's test our CTA button. Okay, very nice. Hey, good job. Our job is done in this part of video. Thanks for being with me and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed that video, please like my video. Have fun and goodbye.